Hello everyone, my name is Neha. I am the student from Karunya Institute of Technology and Science. This is my Practicum 15. This C program, which is a simple car avoidance game built using branching construct, loops, and basic ASCII graphics. The player controls a car and must avoid incoming abstracts falling from the top of the screen. The first step is that the program setup. At start, we include the required header files such as an stdio.h for the input and output, the conio.h for real-time keyboard inputs, windows.h which is been for the delays and the screen clearings, stdlib.h for random abstract positions. We define a game area with a fixed width and the height. We also declare a variable for a player car position, the abstract the car positions, the scores, and the game over flag. The setup function, which initializes everything by placing the player in the center of the road and generating the first abstract randomly. The step 2 is then drawing the game screen. The draw function, which refreshes the entire screen for every frames. The border of the game, which is drawn by using the slash. The the player's card is represented by the character A. The following abstract car is represented by the character B. The current score is displayed at the bottom. By clearing and redrawing the frame, the grain which creates simple 2D animations. The step 3 is that the player input handling. The input function which check if the player is pressed a key. Pressing of an A which moves the car left and pressing of the D which moves the car rightwards. We use simple if else branching to update the car's X positions boundary condition which ensures that the car never goes outside the road. The fourth step is that the obstacle movement and the collision logic, in the sense the update obstacle function handles the vertical movement of the incoming obstacles. The obstacle which moves downwards every frames if it reaches the player's road and both the cars shares the same expositions, a collisions which occurs. If it reaches the player's row and both the cars shares the same positions, a car collisions which will be occurs. This sets the game over the flag. If the obstacle reaches the bottom without hitting the player, it resets to the top. A new random position is chosen and the score increases. This section uses conditional statement to check for collisions and scoring events. The main game loop, which inside the main functions, the game run inside a while, not game over loop. Each cycle draws the output, which visualizes the input, which reads the keyword movement. The update abstract moves the obstacles and check for the the collisions. Sleep, which controls the speed of an animations. When a collision happens, the loop which ends and the game over is displayed along with the final scores. This program, which demonstrates that the branching using an if else for the decision making, basic graphic using an ASCII characters, the real-time user inputs, collision detections, animations through the loops and the timed delays. It is a clean, well structured examples of using a C program to build an interactive game. This is the code for the building a car game by using a C program, and this is the output which we are getting from this game. Thank you.